Anusha Dandekar expose Karan Kundra for cheating on her?
He used the dating app to talk and meet with girls. And we're doing the campaign together.
She even mockingly said he has slept with the whole of Mumbai.
Found out he was sleeping with all of Mumbai, but hey.
In a recent viral podcast, Anusha was seen talking about her toxic ex, with whom she had run a dating app campaign. According to Anusha, she helped her ex-boyfriend to get the dating app contract. With that contract, he earned so much money that it was bigger than any other paycheck of his life.
At the time, the boyfriend, I got him the deal as well. To do the campaign with me. The most he's ever been paid for this campaign, ever in life.
But as they were promoting a dating app, her ex himself made a profile on the dating app and started approaching young women on the platform. And not just that, he would even invite girls for meetups and dates. And when the news of his dating profile came out, he called it fake and moved on. But later Anusha found out that he was actually cheating and apparently sleeping with the whole of Mumbai. As Anusha spoke, fans could easily connect the dots and found out that the ex Anusha was referring to is none other than Karan Kundra. Back when they were dating, they were the face of the dating app Bumble. So, as people figured out it's Karan, the comments section went crazy. Some supported Anusha, saying Anusha got saved from this man. She was way too classy for him. While some bashed Anusha, saying she is still using Karan to get into the limelight. Anusha needs therapy, not a podcast. Karan's worst decision was to date this lady. And as the fans were divided, Karan also released a statement saying 87 articles in 3 hours and for what? To sell a podcast. Is this the inspiration that's being instilled into the young boys and girls of our country? Is this entertainment for you? It's unfortunate that today these cruel elite women can say anything and they will be applauded, and men like me have nowhere to go. Now I'm beginning to understand why even the most seemingly successful, strong, bright men end up taking their lives in this country, cause there is no accountability, no consequences that these woke women have to face. With this, Karan expressed his disappointment over the issue, but he later deleted the post, which infuriated many netizens even more. But what do you guys think? Is Karan Kundra a cheater, or is Anusha just trying to defame him to sell her podcast? Bollywood hottest couple Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra have been blessed with a baby girl, and fans are absolutely over the moon. On 16th July, Siddharth took to Instagram to share the heartwarming news with the world, and the comment section exploded with love and congratulations from fans everywhere. But that's not all. Several celebrities including Karan Johar, Rakul Preet Singh and Rajkumar Rao also chimed in to congratulate the couple on their new bundle of joy. As of now, Kiara is still at the hospital, with close family members regularly visiting to be by her side. This beautiful journey began back in 2019 when Siddharth and Kiara met on the sets of Shershah. Sparks flew instantly, and they've been inseparable ever since. The couple tied the knot in February 2023, and now they're proud parents to a baby girl. Interestingly, the couple has chosen to keep their daughter's face private for now. In a thoughtful gesture, they even handed out sweets to the paparazzi in customized boxes that read, "No photos please, only blessings." And here's a fun fact for all the Bollywood fans out there. Siddharth Malhotra made his big Bollywood debut in 2012 with Student of the Year, alongside fellow newcomers Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. Fast forward to 2025, all three stars are now married and have become parents to daughters. What a beautiful coincidence, isn't it?